Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder with $60 in prop money and saving challenges that I'm saving for our family of 4. All right, let's get started. So first, know what I'm doing. I don't know. All right, let's go into and so the adventure begins. So this is saving for a family vacation. And let me get 20-sided die. See how much we are saving. Ooh, we got 18. That is perfect. Let's color in 18 here. And this is created by Mint Dough. So let's get our 18, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And the reason that I use prop money is because I just go ahead and transfer this money into my Capital One high yield savings account so it can earn interest as it's in there in the account. And then when I need it, I would just transfer it back into my checking account and use it that way. So we are saving money and earning money. That sounds like a great deal. So this saving challenge is created by Budget with Carly. Take what you need and pass it on. Saves $50 and it's saved for my daughter's sinking funds. Well, we got 3 scratches. Let's do this one. And that is a 6. Shall I do another one? Yeah, let's do one more. Let's do this one. Is that a 4 or is that a 9? I think it's a 4. So that's $10. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's like a 4. Okay, so $10. All right, and next is for my son's sinking fund. This is created by Budget with Carly. We finished all the scratches, and now we is just rolling and saving. So let's go ahead and roll. We got a 2. Should I go again? We'll we'll wait. We'll just do one. So $2. All right, because you know I'm not trying to start any new challenges because you know I want to refresh my binders for the new year, so trying to be mindful. So this one is created by Stuff in a Budget. It takes real skills to choke on air, fall up the stairs, and trip over nothing. I have those skills. Save $55, and let's do this one. Ooh, that is an 8. Let's do one more. Let's do this one. Oh, wow. I'm like, oh, she want to put another high number in this cluster, but I was terribly wrong. So that is 15, I think. Yeah, $15. 5, 10, 15. All right. Because what I do, yeah. No, which one? Yeah, 7 and 8. Okay. I don't know why I was thinking I did the 6. Okay. Next is Merry Clucking Christmas. Saves $45, created by Beauty Mind Budgets. And let's do this one. Okay, that's a 5. And should we do one more? Sure. Okay, $10. And this is, did I say this is for hubby? Yes. So $10. Perfect. 2 more scratches for that one. We'll probably be done with most of these next week. Hold on just a second, Gems. Okay. Next is Home Sweet Home. This is a nice little grocery savings challenge created by Mystic Budgets. Let me see. We have 2 scratches and 2 rolling saves. And let's do one of each. And the scratches are 8s and 5s. So we got a 5. And let's go ahead and roll in a 3. So $8. Ooh, almost dropped that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on, let me make sure that was 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, $8. And this is a 91 plus because of the rolling saves. And we almost finished with that. Look at us. Okay. Let's go to emergency fund and the life of a duck named Wood. What? So this is saving for emergencies, for those crap moments. And we are doing this back to school. And like I already found the last two. And that is recess and student. How much we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I? Hold on. I guess we can finish this one. Yeah, we'll go ahead and finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $2 left. So the recess is here. And student, right? Yes. Student is right there. So that was $5. And this should total $30. If I did everything correctly. So let's see. We have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, $30 is going into our emergency funds. And let me go ahead and where is my pen? So plus, what did I say, 30? Oh dear. Yes, $30. So this will get me $5.95 plus $30 more, $6.25. Ooh, look at that. See how just small little saving challenges, it adds up. We getting up there. I'm excited about that. And then I have $2 left. And what we would do with that $2, it will put it into this 100 envelope challenge created by Snow Garden 307. And what I'm just using this as a roll and save, catch-all, all the doodads. And this is, like I said, saving for a rainy day. So my logic for this is to use this first, my rainy day funds first, before I use my emergency fund. That is the goal. But if I have to use emergency funds or use both of them, hey, that's what it's there for. So yeah, so this is for those oh crap moments too. So we is gonna put that $2 in here. And I can't wait for next week, because it's like we're gonna finish a few challenges. So that is cool. And then we will refresh the binders for next year. So stay tuned. All right, Gems, that is it. That is my That is my family binder with $60 put into our family sinking fund. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.